What do we call the legal document that states how people's property should be allotted after their deaths?
Will.
Which one would a vegetarian most likely to eat? Sandwiches or fruit salad?
Fruit salad.
To improve their health and fitness, most people either try to improve their diet or
Do more physical exercise.
which sweet food do bees produce?
Honey.
What is the name of birds' regular seasonal movement, often north and south along a flyway?
Migration.
What are the mountains that can erupt?
Volcanoes.
What is the device that controls electrical appliances on and off?
Switch.
If a figure is a pentagon, how many sides does it have?
Five.
If a magazine is published quarterly, how many times a year is it published?
Four times a year.
How would you describe someone who can speak two languages?
Bilingual.
How many days added in February during a leap year?
One day.
If you want to read tragedies or comedies, what kind of book do you read?
Fiction books, novels.
What's the color of the medal that a champion gets?
Golden.
Why are bees so important to agriculture?
For pollination.
What kind of educational institution does a 10-year-old child study in?
Primary school, elementary school.